Move that vitamin C out of the way. It's time for... Yo, what's up guys? It's time for Grayson Trys, and today we're going to be trying the one and only Mountain Dew VooDEW. Excuse my fridge, it's really loud. I really wanted to try out this Mountain Dew VooDEW, so come on. This soda right here is the fifth edition, This soda right here is the 5th edition of Mountain Dew VooDEW. Every year, it tastes, Artemis is eating food, hold on, Artemis. I don't think it's working for me right now. Mountain Dew VooDEW 2023 is the 5th edition, 5th version of the mystery flavor. Last year, it tasted like Warheads. The year before it tasted like Skittles. One of the years, it tasted like Orange Creamsicle. I mean, I've been drinking these since year 1, so... Where are you at? Where are you? Anyways, let's get this pouring. Talking slow-mo. Yeah. Straight into a chilled glass. This go around, it's very white, like the year before. It smells like vitamins. It's not strawberry, but it's a berry. I think it's strawberry. I think this is that of a strawberry Sour Patch Kid candy. It's sour, but it's also a nice sweet strawberry flavor. In comparison to the other Mountain Dew VooDEW, I would rate this a 9/11.